Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook, visit our website.
Hi, good day. In this video, I will talk about how to process month-end payroll. Before you process month-end payroll, please do make sure that you already complete the setting in Maintain Employee. First, in the menu, double-click on New Payroll. And here is where you to process the final payroll. Check on the transaction posting for the year and also for the month. After that, click on the Process button. As you can see, these are the list of the employee that has been processed for the final payroll. Double-click on the employee name to show the payroll info on the right side. And to show the breakdown of the payroll info, example for the allowance, you just have to double-click on the allowance wording, and from the bottom, you will see that the allowance breakdown in details. In the meanwhile, you are allowed to directly edit the amount even though you already done the final payroll. Example for Lee Hui Hui October payroll. For the handphone allowance, I wish to change it from 150 ringgit to 300 ringgit. What I have to do is just go to the rate column for the handphone, then change it to 300. When the time you save it, immediately the system will recalculate the deduction for EPF, social, and also income tax. Or if you wish to reprocess for certain employee payroll only, example for Nicole, instead of to delete the whole month payroll, you are able to just right-click on Nicole names, choose Purge, click Yes to delete Nicole payroll, click OK on it, and from the October payroll list, Nicole name has been removed. After that, go down to the blue color wording for Process Missing Employee, click on it, choose Nicole name but click on it, then click OK to reprocess it. And here you go. Double-click on the Nicole name to show Nicole payroll info that has been reprocessed earlier. That's all for today's video. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.